Hello, thanks for being in a brand new video. This time let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Redmi Note 13 edition in case you are considering buying it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Redmi Note 13 without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which in Mexico has been 6,799 pesos. On screen you see the reference price in dollars. And remember that in Mexico generally prices are higher, but Xiaomi for some reason has decided to put its prices even higher than we expected, so surely that will be our main complaint. But let me tell you what I like the most. This device features the My Remote app to make it a universal remote control. To date, honestly, there are few brands that maintain this benefit, so you can use this cell phone to control your TV, air conditioning, and other things. It includes a 10-band equalizer that you can use without headphones connected. It also includes a good document scanner. That is, it not only crops the photo, but also lets you apply some color filters to make it look like a much more advanced scanner. Its 108 megapixel camera makes good use of the 3x zoom while maintaining optical quality. So if you like to have pictures with a telephoto perspective, even without having a telephoto camera, this device is capable of doing a good job. Backlit photos are also handled well. It integrates the fast camera mode from 4x up to 1800x, so you could perfectly record spectacular landscapes with a good quality. At the software level, it has good options, and with HyperOS you have an excellent customization for the lock screen. Although there could still be some sections with redundancy, but overall the software seems to be getting better and better. It also offers good security options with private files, app lock, and some other tools. It also has a data lock mode, so you can select which apps will be able to access the internet with your mobile data, and which apps will only be able to do so over Wi-Fi. It has a tremendous ecosystem like all Xiaomi devices and comes with 256 gigabytes of storage and micro SD up to 1 terabyte. Although many of these benefits, believe me, you can find them in other devices also from Xiaomi, but from the Poco brand, in fact at this price it would be much more advisable to buy the Poco X Pro that even has 512 gigabytes of storage. So, oras sa akin. Now, let me tell you now what I didn't like. The front camera really is very simple, but believe me, very simple, the results look with too low level of detail. The camera burst is only 20 pictures, so it's not that functional for trying to capture a specific moment. The 108 megapixel camera doesn't seem to be as well utilized in high resolution mode. While we said that with the 3x zoom while maintaining optical quality you can see a good result. If you take pictures with 108 megapixels, it does not seem to have as much detail. When recording video, it will not switch between the ultra-wide camera and the main camera. It offers us a maximum 6x zoom when recording video, and it looks very bad compared to photography. Its one-handed use mode only adjusts vertically, so it can be difficult to reach the extremes. It doesn't have extended unlock, instead it only has the exclusive smart unlock via Xiaomi Bluetooth devices. It only supports only 4G networks and not 5G. This is starting to be one of its main shortcomings because in this price range it is becoming more and more common to find devices with 5G. The Snapdragon 685 processor falls quite short, especially if in front you have its cousin the Poco X6 Pro that has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and Dimensity 8300 Ultra. So this processor is very simple, it exports video slower than its competitors, in gaming it goes slower than its competitors. In short, do not buy this device, better buy the Poco X6 Pro if you want a Xiaomi. But if you already bought it, tell me how much it cost you. I think the price is fundamental in this device. If it costs around 4,000 pesos, it would be much more attractive. For now, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can tell me, and see you next time.